Drop it.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to make our own compact powder at home with SPF in it. The main specialty of this compact powder is that we are making this with SPF. There are various compact powders available in market these days with SPF, but they are a bit expensive. So I thought, why not we make it by our own in an affordable range. So watch this video till end. I will share some tips also. Hope this is the first video in YouTube of making compact powder with SPF. No YouTuber has done this till now. So I have already made a video of a DIY compact powder without using rubbing alcohol previously, and that video has got a 1.7 million views. And I'm very happy about that. And if you haven't watched that video yet, then please don't forget to watch that. And if you want, I will provide the link below. And if you are new to my channel and watching my videos for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to see all my upcoming latest videos first. It's completely free of cost. To make this, we need Spins BB talc, any foundation, rose water, and finally zinc oxide or any sunscreen. Take a clean bowl and add this Spins BB talc. There is no particular measurement, but approximately I have added about 3 to 4 big spoons of this powder. Next I am adding foundation, little bit of foundation. I am going to add a very little bit of foundation, or you can skip this step if you use BB talc, it's optional. After adding this, next add zinc oxide powder. Add this much of zinc oxide powder, it's enough. If you don't have this powder, need not worry, you can use your favorite sunscreen of your choice. Now I'm going to mix it once. Finally add some rose water. Add required amount of rose water. Now mix it well. Now after mixing, this is how the consistency looks. Now transfer this in your old compact case. Spread this mixture evenly. With the help of spoon, now I am going to spread this mixture evenly throughout this compact case. Let it dry for about 2 days at room temperature. Now my compact powder is ready. It looks like this. It has been dried in just 1 day. As these are summers, it has been dried very quickly. Now let us check how this compact powder works. You can see how powdery it is. It really works well. And I will show the demo of this now. It really mixes into your skin very quickly. So now I am going to share some tips. Tip number 1. Use hairdryer to dry your compact powder quickly within few minutes. Tip number 2. Once your compact powder is almost dried and if you notice any cracks, then just what you will do is use your fingertip and smoothen the surface. You can see here the surface has been become very soft and smoothened here without any cracks. So you're done. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and please try this. It works 100% pretty good. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, please be free to ask. I just love to answer them. So until next video, take care. Bye bye.